Drink water and mind my business. Mind my business. Let me get some food, y'all. I'm going. No. What? Huh? Huh? Don't go some. What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So it's your girl NK, and I'm outside nice today. Today's Saturday, May 20, not I said May, March 26th. Yeah, it's 2 months to my birthday, period. But yeah, it's I'm in quite nice right now, you know, just for the weather. I used to, well, I was gonna say I used to live in Crown Heights, but not around here. I used to live up by Eastern Parkway in Utica. Matter of fact, I'm about to go get some food right now. I'm hungry. I'm actually about to go like to Flatbush area, like by Church Avenue. It's about to be 1 o'clock right now, so I have to come outside and do some errands early. So I'm outside and I look tired, but that's a normal thing. A lot of Jewish people live around here, but I'm at Nostrand. I'm right here, Nostrand, and I'm gonna take the train. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm actually gonna walk all the way to Utica. Yeah, I'm gonna walk to Utica. It's a nice day anyway. Like, I could walk. It's supposed to be 71. So I'm at Nostrand and Eastern Parkway. So I'm walking to Utica and Eastern Parkway. Maybe I'll get some food. No, I'm not. I'm going to my $3 place to go get some food, because why not? Cheaper that way. And I could get me two plates or 3. Today's Saturday. I don't feel like cooking. Even though honestly I'm supposed to be eating white rice. I don't know what to do. I'm not in a cooking mood though. That's one thing. I'm not in a cooking mood. I'm kind of a little tired, to be honest. I just want to go back inside and relax. I don't know. When I get to Utica, I'll see what my mind says. If I should go or not. But yeah. Good walk, but I'm gonna be there soon. I can see the other train station already, and that's Kingston Avenue. So when I get there, I will show you. Yeah. See these right here? Police cameras. If people run the lights, then take a picture of the license plates. I mean, sure, that's happening everywhere. And then listen to your yard and you have to pay tickets. Simple as that. So they have it mostly. Every shop like they have that. I don't think so. I'm not sure. Kingston Avenue. I mean, down there, so at Kingston Avenue. So this is on the see this train station on the right side. On this side of Crown Heights is like a lot of Jewish people. Enough Jewish people. But where I'm going is mostly like American and Caribbean. They got their own little, I don't know if it's a church or what. Their own school bus. Yeah, it's different from the American school bus. It's different. NYPD, man, right here. The cops be out. It's nice outside. The cops be ready. Don't play that. I'm at Kingston Avenue right now. That's a 3 train. Eastern Parkway and Kingston Avenue. I don't know if it's me alone, but me love hearing siren there. I don't know why. Nah, it just give it, once you hear that, you know say they are New York. I think. Yeah, I don't think the siren in other places sound the same. I'm gonna cross. I'm gonna cross on this. But yeah, another NYPD patrol thing. I used to live on this block actually. I used to live down there, like 2 blocks down. I'm gonna keep walking. So this is Kingston. The next one is Utica, where I'm going. Oh wow, I could always notice that bus anywhere. That van, I used to work with them. That's what I used to do before I started security. I'm gonna show you the van. Oh, the next stop is Albany. Oh. Well, the next train station is Utica. But the next stop up there is Albany Avenue. But I know this is my old job that I used to do. This company right here. Let me show y'all. These people right here. Like a bus escort, they call it. There's a different name, there's another name for it too. But I was basically picking up disabled adults and bringing them to the program, and then picking them back up from the program and dropping them off home. Yeah, that was my job before I started doing security. Honestly, I liked it, but after a while I started getting tired of it. I was doing that for a while. I was doing that because I did 2 different companies, but that was the last company I went to. I was doing that job since 2000. It's a 13 or 14 I started doing that job. Well, the first company, not this one. But then I quit them in 2019 because I'm like, I'm tired. I'm tired. And sometimes the people on the bus, the clients be very rude. They be very rude. They be trying to hit you, trying to fight you, and you cannot hit them back. But I was getting annoyed and frustrated. I'm like, nah, I can't do this shit no more. I cannot do this no more. And plus, you're not paying me enough. So yeah, I'm out. And I also didn't know what I was gonna do after that. I was like, you know what? But I did not. I was gonna say I went to go to security before I quit, but I didn't. I just quit because I'm like, oh, I'm tired. I just left it. I had left it in God's hands. I'm like, what I'm gonna do? You know, I'm like, I'm gonna go do security. I'm gonna try security and see what it is. Alright, y'all see how the houses look? They have different type of buildings out here in New York. But still, like, if somebody records something, you can know it's New York. You'd be like, what city is that? That's New York. It's just different from other places. So you would definitely still know it's New York. I'm at Eastern Parkway and Schenectady Avenue. And the next one is Utica. Eastern Parkway. And this is the library I used to go to. Well, I used to live over here. I used to go to this library. I used to live on, is it Crown and Schenectady? So I used to go to that library over there. And see, Utica is a busy place. It's very busy. I used to live over here too, like down that way. So I know this area really good. I'll be up here. I think they still sell. I think they sell the seafood. You know how the buildings look. The buses be parking right here because it's not ready. See the other bus parked right there. So when they're on their own schedule. Well, yeah, somebody in there. So when that one move, this one pull up to the front. That's how they do it. Got rainbow right there. Oh, right here preaching.
So the spiritual repercussions must break these laws. Everything the Lord is not going to tell us the punishment or what actually happens when we break these laws. Like, we're going to go over the dietary law. There's a lot of our people who eat pork, shrimp, lobster. They don't understand the consequences behind it. But read that.
Zephaniah chapter 1 verse 8. And it shall come to sacrifice that I will punish the princes and the king's children and all such as are clothed with strange apparel.
So being clothed with strange apparel, cross-dressing is a sin punishable by death. So you don't want to get caught like that when Christ comes along. He can put you to death.
I don't know what to do.
Next week. You don't know how much mercy the Lord's going to extend to you. So give me that one, second as when they yet have liberty, repentance. When repentance is over, you keep on holding on same sin.
I'm going to get some.
Second Ezra chapter 9 verse 11. And they have lost my law.
Then I'm going to go home and relax. Man, what are you like? We can drive so wild out here.
Then shall they in beautiful faith, which not abuse my ways, so that those despitefully shall dwell in torment. For such as in their life have received benefits and have not known.
So a lot of us are receiving benefits but not knowing the Lord.
Oh, the bus coming.
That's against
Yeah, I'm doing my exit. Why don't you get a ticket? Real quick, the bus is coming. Hold on. Unlimited bus coming, so you push this thing in that thing over there and you get a ticket. Sometimes they come under the bus and they check if you have a ticket. If you don't have a ticket, they're gonna write you a ticket. You off the bus. I'm ready for Popeyes. There's actually a Popeyes and a Burger King. Just got the church in Utica and they have a market. A papaya. I don't even have a bag though. I like buy a bag, you know, because you have too much bag for your bag. Oh, kiwi. avocado. I love avocado. Here.
Like the cut one.
$1.
I don't know when they're good. Yeah.
And, okay, maybe I get two. Maybe I get one of them here. Should I get two?
Thank you.
Let me do the credit card limit. Oh, me have cash. Me have cash. Let me get two avocado. Two avocado and 4. Yeah, this is a big one. And some kiwi. Papaya. This is some papaya over here. 99 cents a pound. Big. Sorry. Grapes. Look at the line. Jesus, line long one. Sorry. Oh, he's planting. The gizzard. Che volta con gizzard? Alla famiglia. Oh, planting. I'm not going over there around here. I have to think about it. And it's cold in this damn place. I'm not going anything about it. But that doesn't mean you can't relive them. Galaxy S22 oh shit, oh my god. Look at me fine. I'm saying, I mean, I'll rinse it. No other, dollar fee. Let me take up 2. Then I'll know figures. Oh god, I could have figures. Look at the 12 figures. No, I buy 20 man in it. Just snacks. And they have thing also. Thing of how much? 179. Callaloo, I can't mince. Sorry. Oh yeah. Minced market callaloo. They have spur tree and grace. All of them are free. And double dice. All of them are $3. Let me just finish the callaloo though. No need the callaloo for that. Go ahead. I'll stop with Jen. Irish mash. Not really got nutrients, but I just think I have too much sugar in it, you know. I just want olive oil, Joe. Damn, olive oil is not $2 now. When cents. I'm on the line. Nobody knows that. market right here. They have coconuts. These are so far, it's 2 for 3 and down there. They had it for 99 cents a pound. Oh, they have orange. That's a yellow plant. I think it's $1. Excuse me.
$1.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get one. Blueberries. Got me some blueberries. My blueberries is almost finished, so I think I'm gonna get some. You know I was gonna go to a Dollar Tree too, but what if they don't have the one in the bag that I want? I think I'm gonna get these. One good pack. Like some of them, they're gonna perfect. Yeah, just take what you get. I think this one is good enough. This one is good. Orange. Lime. Mango. Three lemons for $1. I'm not gonna lemon because that lemon make a lemon spoil, you know.
Yeah, go.
Pepper. I'm gonna pick for this and go. Look at this, guys. Another drink in a box. How many ounces? It's 1 liter. Okay, $5. It's at Church in Utica. I get one of them drink. I'm thirsty. Should get green tea. I love green tea. I have one next time. What's one next time? I think the restaurant I'm going to, they sell it, so I'm gonna get it from there. We got a few small cheese and they don't have, you know? Oh, okay. I think I have figures. Don't have figures. Still don't have figures. What the heck? Look at this guy. I want, but
Pero tengo otro gran día para ti. ¿Sabías que con Nationality Internet obtienes velocidades de
I tried one instead. I tried this before, but where is? I tried these. These are so freaking good. I love them here. You don't like this? The cinnamon crackers? You don't like? Why this? They also look at water crackers, cream crackers for $2. I saw market sell it for 1 something. Remember, right? I don't have figures. Oh, they have chippies and cheese crunchies. I get one. Oh my god. Okay, I'll come another time. I don't think I want to spend $7.99 on that either, to be honest. But look at, oh, look, I'm going for a start rain. Look at the rain. I should be taking that bus, but I'm gonna walk to the restaurant. I'm going because I'm hungry. It's gonna rain. I need to hurry up. Look like it's gonna rain. Like that. It's annoying. Like he's not driving. What do you want to do, baby? So I just came out of the farm. And I went to the one down here. Go get some food. I'm hungry. I need drink water and mind my business. Mind my business. Let me get some food, yeah? And go home. No. What? Huh? Huh? Don't go some. What? I don't know. You're asking me to go do what? I'm determined. I don't know that. I don't know you. I don't know you. All the family. Sure. Yo, look at my arm. On the look at my arm. Yeah, listen. I don't know why me decided to come out of my house with no jacket. Of course, they said they're going to be 71 today. That's why. That's why I come out here with no jacket. And it's no other going to be cold. Yeah, but I have a lot of these. The market that I just came out of, they have a lot of these markets on Church Avenue. This line running down is Church Avenue. So this street, I should say, this street running down Church Avenue. See, there's one right there. And there's one right here again. A lot of the markets. Yeah, coconut water over there, so let me see it. Coconut water. But you know, probably not that fresh like back home. I'm not gonna make it hard because rain start falling, I'm gonna be mad. Because I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna reach a restaurant and come back to now. Can't bother.